In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Shopify store link in just 5 minutes. If you're running an online store, having your store easy to share is essential. Whether you're promoting your business on social media or sharing it with potential customers, knowing exactly where to find and how to share your store link is crucial. Let's get started. First, let's head over to Shopify. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Shopify website. Once the page has loaded, it's time to log into your account. Input your account credentials, which typically include your email and password, and access the Shopify admin panel. This is your command center, where you can manage everything related to your store. Now that you're logged in, look over to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open up a menu that houses all sorts of options for customizing and managing your store. With the Settings menu open, take a moment to scroll down until you see the option that says Domains. Click on Domains. This section is where you manage all the web addresses associated with your Shopify store. Here, you'll find the URLs that act as the doorway to your shop's online presence. Now, at this point, you'll be presented with a list that includes both your myshopify.com URL and any custom domain you've registered for your store. The myshopify.com domain is automatically assigned when you first create a Shopify store. It's a great backup, but having a custom domain that aligns with your brand is often preferred for that extra touch of professionalism. To share your store, simply select the domain you want to use. Highlight the URL and copy it to your clipboard. With your store link copied, you can now paste it wherever you need, be it in an email, a message, or a post on one of your social media accounts. This link is the address anyone can use to see your amazing store. It's a straightforward process, but an important one, as sharing your store link is a key part of reaching out to your customers and expanding your business's reach. Whether you're looking to increase sales, collaborate with other businesses, or just want to make it easier for friends to find your store, having your link readily available helps to make your store conveniently accessible. And that's it. You've now mastered the simple steps of finding and sharing your Shopify store link. By making your store accessible, you're paving the way for growth and engagement. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.